steady flow process. Consider a fluid flowing through an open system or control volume such as a water heater. The flow is often defined by the terms steady and uniform. The term steady implies that there are no changes with the time. The term uniform implies no change with the location over a specified region. Engineering flow devices that operate for a long period of time under the same conditions are classified as steady flow devices. The processes for these devices is called steady flow process. The fluid properties can change from point to point within control volume, but any fixed point the properties remain the same during entire process. State postulate. As noted earlier, the state of the system is described by the properties, but by experience not all properties must be known before the state is specified. Once a sufficient number of properties are known, the state is specified and other properties are known. The number of properties required to fix the state of simple homogeneous systems is given by the state of postulates. The thermodynamic state of simple compressible system is completely specified by the two independent and intensive properties. Next one is a cycle. A process with identical end state is called cycle. Below is a cycle composed of two processes, A and B. Along the process A, the pressure and volume change from state 1 to 2. Then to complete the cycle, the pressure and volume change from state 2 back to initial state 1 along the process B. Keep in mind that all another dynamic properties must also change so that the pressure is a function of volume as described by these two processes. The process 1A, process B. Start from one direction. The force unit area called pressure until is the Pascal Newton per meter square. In the SI system, PSIA, LPF in absolute. In the English systems, force. The pressure used in all calculation of state is the absolute pressure measured relative to absolute zero pressure. However, pressure are often measured relative to atmospheric pressure, called cage or vacuum pressure. In the English system, the absolute pressure and cage pressures are distinguished by their units. PSIA, pound force per square inch absolute, and PSIG, pound force per square inch page, respectively. However, the system makes no distinction between the absolute and cage pressure. The pressure is these PVH, ABS, ATM, atmospheric absolute pressures, PVAC, ATM, obvious. Or these two results may be written PABS equal to PATM plus or minus PH, where the P gauge is used when PABS greater than ATM, PHS is used for vacuum gauge. This is a formula. The relations among the atmosphere gauge vacuum pressure shown in below. The vacuum pressures. some value of 1 atmospheric pressure 101.325 kilopascal, 0.10132 megapascal, 14.69 psia, 760 mmHg and 29.92 inches H2O. The small moderate of pressure difference between the measured by the manometer and a difference fluid column height corresponding the pressure of difference between the system and surrounding. This is a gas, the height level of gas 1 and 2. The pressure difference determine the manometer fluid displays the height as PGHKPE. The text given extensive review manometer pressure relations. For further study the manometers relations, see the text.